Have you ever imagined building a powerful online vehicle marketplace where dealers list cars, boats, or motorcycles, and everyday people search, compare, and buy? Picture owning a platform that isn't just a brochure, but a real business infrastructure where listings generate recurring income, dealerships pay for exposure, and users trust your brand to find, compare, and transact with ease. That's the kind of business engine you can launch with the right Automotive WordPress theme. The moment you explore the Motors theme demo, it becomes clear this isn't a simple template. Motors is engineered as a full-featured, multi-purpose solution for automotive businesses, from car dealers to rental companies, from classified listings to repair services, and even boat dealerships. With deep inventory management, multiple listing layouts, dealer dashboards, financing calculators, and support for multiple languages and currencies, it gives you every tool you need to run a professional, scalable automotive business. Diving into the heart of Motors, you begin to see why it's such a potent theme for building a serious automotive enterprise. First, the Inventory Manager is built to handle large and detailed vehicle catalogs. Dealers or individual sellers can list cars, motorcycles, boats, or even heavy vehicles. Each listing can include technical specifications, mileage, model, transmission, year, engine size, plus a gallery of high-resolution photos and even video. This level of detail makes each listing feel rich, trustworthy, and deeply informative to buyers. To facilitate discovery, Motors provides advanced search and filter capabilities. Users visiting your platform can sift through listings by make, model, year, price, mileage, or even color. That means they're not wasting time scrolling through irrelevant options, they find what they want quickly. There's also a powerful comparison tool. Buyers can select 2 or more vehicles and compare specs side by side, helping them make more informed decisions and increasing the chances they submit a lead or make a purchase. But Motors isn't just about sales, it supports rentals too. With built-in booking functionality, you can enable a rental business directly within your site. Cars or boats can be offered with hourly, daily, or custom pricing. Availability is tracked via calendar, bookings are made through a user-friendly form, and payments can be handled through WooCommerce integration. This rental system empowers you to monetize your platform in multiple ways, selling vehicles, renting them, or both. Beyond selling and renting, Motors truly shines in its classified listing capabilities. Individual users or dealers can register, submit vehicles for sale, and pay for listing packages if you choose to monetize that way. You can define paid membership plans for sellers, allowing them to submit a certain number of listings, upload multiple images, access analytics, or even highlight their vehicles as featured. By combining a pay-per-listing model with recurring membership options, you create a diverse, recurring revenue stream. Trust plays a huge role in the automotive business, and Motors has you covered. Dealers can create profiles, include company information, logos, and contact details, and users can review them. This builds accountability and establishes the reputation of each seller. Buyers see the faces, trust the names, and feel more confident when submitting inquiries or leads. That credibility helps your platform convert more visitors into buyers. Financial tools are integrated as well. Motors provides a finance or loan calculator on listing pages. Buyers can estimate monthly payments based on vehicle price, down payment, interest rates, and loan duration. This feature not only adds value to users, but also helps your platform convert interested browsers into serious buyers, because they can calculate and plan their payments right then and there. Owner experience is also thoughtfully designed. Dealers or sellers get access to a dedicated dashboard where they manage their vehicle inventory, update listings, upload images, handle leads, and even import data via CSV or XML using Auto Manager. This is efficient for dealerships managing large fleets. They don't have to manually create every listing. They can bulk import, and the system maps the necessary attributes seamlessly. Administrators of the platform, that's you, gain powerful control. From your backend, you can manage listing types, control form fields, configure paid listing packages, and moderate submissions. You set default parameters, decide which attributes sellers can edit, and define user roles: dealer, seller, private person. You can also manage ads, place banners, featured listing slots, or promotional vehicle spots. All of this enables you to monetize not just through listing payments, but through premium placements and advertisement. Global scale is possible as well. Motors supports multiple languages via WPML or PO translation files, making your platform accessible to a broad audience. Combine that with unlimited currency support, and you can enable listings across different markets, from local car dealers to international boat sellers. This global readiness gives you the ability to grow far beyond your initial geographic scope. To further increase user engagement, the theme includes user-friendly features like vehicle comparison, wish list functionality, and contact forms directly on listing pages. Potential buyers can save listings, leave inquiries, or request quotes. This interaction builds meaningful leads rather than passive traffic, which means more conversions and value per listing. From a performance perspective, Motors is optimized for speed and usability. The theme is responsive, ensuring a seamless mobile experience. It leverages modern CSS and JS practices, and the inventory manager is built to handle high volumes of listings without sacrificing speed. A fast, responsive site helps with SEO, user retention, and user satisfaction. Over time, your platform can evolve into a full-scale automotive marketplace business. You can onboard multiple car dealers, rental agencies, boat sellers, or even motorcycle repair shops. By offering tiered listing packages, featured placement, and premium listings, you create a stable, recurring revenue model. Each seller you attract becomes a revenue source. Each buyer who finds a car or rental through your site becomes a user who trusts your brand. You also have room to build complementary services. You could offer paid vehicle data import, lead generation packages, premium marketing tools for dealers, or even a white label version of your platform. As your directory of vehicles grows and user base expands, you create network effects. More listings bring more buyers bring more dealer interest, and more dealer participation improves the quality and diversity of your inventory. Strategically, your Motors-powered business becomes a digital automotive ecosystem, much more than a website, but a brand and asset in itself. With consistent traffic, paid listings, and engagement features, it's a business that can be scaled, invested in, and potentially sold. You're not just building a listing site, you're establishing a marketplace where vehicles, rentals, and services transact under your vision. With Motors, you're not just purchasing a WordPress theme, you're laying the foundation for a scalable, profitable automotive marketplace. Whether you want to run a car dealership network, a rental business, classified listings, or a combination of all three, this theme gives you the control, features, and monetization power to build an automotive business brand that lasts. To explore the full demo or purchase the Motors theme, check the theme link provided in the description. This could be the first step to launching your very own vehicle marketplace business.